Welcome to our food and cooking inspiration channel, where simple ingredients transform into satisfying meals and every recipe brings you closer to creating delicious experiences and income-ready food ideas. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your creativity in the kitchen, and to help you understand how structured cooking systems can turn everyday meals into repeatable, scalable, and highly engaging content. Barbecue chicken pizza, egg fried rice. We begin with a bold and creative fusion dish that immediately captures attention. Start by preparing your ingredients: pre-cooked rice, shredded chicken, eggs, barbecue sauce, and shredded cheese. Having everything ready before you begin is essential, as it keeps your cooking flow uninterrupted. Heat your pan on medium-high heat. Add a small amount of oil, then place the chicken into the pan. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it begins to develop a slightly crispy texture. This step builds flavor right from the start. Next, add the rice. Break apart any clumps and mix thoroughly with the chicken. Push everything to one side of the pan, crack in your eggs, and scramble them gently before combining with the rice. Now introduce the barbecue sauce and cheese. Stir continuously for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is evenly coated and slightly melted. The total cooking time should be around 6 to 7 minutes. Fusion recipes like this stand out because they combine familiarity with creativity, making them highly shareable and memorable. Tuna melt sandwich. This is a classic that proves simplicity can be powerful. Start by mixing canned tuna with mayonnaise until smooth and well combined. Take 2 slices of bread and spread the mixture evenly, then add a layer of cheese. Heat your pan on medium heat and place the sandwich carefully. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the bread turns golden brown and crispy and the cheese melts completely. What makes this recipe effective is not complexity, but execution. Simple recipes, when done consistently well, create trust with your audience, and trust leads to repeat viewers. Loaded French fries. Start by cutting your potatoes into evenly sized strips. Heat oil to approximately 180 degrees Celsius and fry the potatoes until golden and crispy. This usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes depending on thickness. Remove them from the oil and immediately season with salt. While still hot, add shredded cheese and your choice of toppings such as cooked meat or sauces. Place everything in the oven for about 5 minutes to melt the cheese fully. The key here is layering textures: crispy fries, soft toppings, and melted cheese. Visual contrast in food is one of the strongest drivers of engagement, especially in video content. Chicken gyro. Begin by marinating your chicken with spices and a small amount of oil. Let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes to absorb flavor. Heat your pan on medium-high heat and cook the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes until fully done. Prepare your flatbread and layer it with fresh vegetables and sauce. Add the cooked chicken and wrap tightly. This recipe highlights balance: warm, fresh, soft, and slightly crispy elements all working together. Balanced meals not only taste better, but also create a more satisfying visual and sensory experience. Beef nacho wrap. Start by cooking ground beef on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add spices and stir well until evenly cooked. Prepare your wrap base and layer the beef, crushed nachos, and cheese. Fold carefully to keep everything intact. The contrast between crunchy nachos and soft wrap creates a unique texture experience. Combining different textures in one bite increases satisfaction and makes the dish more memorable. Garlic butter shrimp. Clean and prepare your shrimp. Heat butter in a pan on medium heat, then add minced garlic. Allow the garlic to cook briefly until fragrant. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Do not overcook, as shrimp can quickly become tough. Finish with herbs and a squeeze of lemon for freshness. Precision in cooking time is what separates average dishes from exceptional ones. Ham and cheese sandwich. Layer ham and cheese between slices of bread. Heat your pan on low-medium heat to avoid burning. Cook each side for about 3 minutes until golden brown and the cheese melts smoothly. Even though this recipe is simple, attention to heat control makes a big difference. Controlled cooking creates consistency, and consistency builds quality. Vegetable stir-fry noodles. Boil your noodles separately according to package instructions. Prepare your vegetables in advance. Heat a pan on high heat and stir-fry vegetables quickly for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the noodles and sauce, then toss everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. High heat ensures the vegetables stay vibrant and slightly crisp. Fast cooking at the right temperature preserves both texture and color, making dishes more appealing. Mini pancake bites. Prepare your pancake batter and heat a pan on low heat. Pour small portions to create bite-sized pancakes. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, then flip and cook briefly on the other side. Add toppings like syrup or fruit before serving. These small portions are visually engaging and perfect for content. Presentation plays a major role in how food is perceived and shared. The system behind it all. As you've seen, every recipe follows the same structure: preparation, heat, cooking, combining, and finishing. This repetition is not limiting, it is empowering. It allows you to create faster, with less stress and more confidence. Once you master the system, you can apply it to countless variations. A clear system transforms cooking from a task into a scalable and repeatable opportunity. What you've experienced today is more than just cooking. It is a method designed to simplify your process and maximize your results. When you follow a structured approach, you remove hesitation and build confidence. You create meals faster, present them better, and share them more consistently. This is how cooking evolves from a daily activity into a creative and potentially profitable skill. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every dish you create adds flavor to the world, and every recipe you share brings you one step closer to building a life filled with creativity, satisfaction, and financial growth.